be able to see if there's a trading opportunity for you with one glance. That's, the point of your Ichimoku Kinko Hyo. Now, let's just break down the parts first. I know that at the start it looks extremely complicated. You have like a lot of lines there, and you have like a cloud-like structure there, and we don't really get what's going on there. So let's break it down piece by piece. Now, first, let's start out with your blue line and your red line. Those are called your Tenkan-sen and your Kijun-sen. And if you notice, they function quite similar to a moving average. Basically, what they're doing is that they're following the closing prices of your candlesticks. There's a little bit of a computation regarding that. They get the high, they get the close, they divide it by 2, and that's basically where they get the values. Okay, but we're not gonna go down with the math of Ichimoku Kinko Hyo, since it's already done for you automatically. Okay, now your Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen, whenever they cross each other, they actually produce a buy and sell signal similar to your moving averages. Your Tenkan-sen, or your red line, is a faster moving average. Okay, so it takes less time for it to react whenever the market moves. Now, compared to your blue line, or your Kijun-sen is actually a moving average line as well, quite similar to it, but it takes in a little bit more candlesticks compared to your Tenkan-sen. And because of that, you have, two moving averages with two different time periods, and whenever they cross each other, it produces a buy and sell signal. To make it short, whenever your red line crosses above your blue line, that is a buy signal. Whenever your red line crosses below your blue line, that is a sell signal. Okay. Now, moving forward, you also have your cloud-like structure that you have there. If you notice, there's actually a cloud-like looking piece there. And to be honest, that is actually produced by two lines. You have your Senkou span A, and you have your Senkou span B. Now, your Senkou span A, that is the green line that you see on top of the cloud, while your Senkou span B is the red line that you see below that cloud, okay, or rather at the bottom of that cloud. Now, the difference between your Senkou span A and B, that produces the cloud in between.